Welcome to AdPlus. I just discovered this project. This project is trending and I want us to take a look at it. AdPlus, you have something like this. Let's take a look at the website, how it looks like. You have different projects here. Different miner is here. So let's try diving and see how it looks like. Tap on connect your X. So now tap on authorize. So now that you've connected your X, tap on this claim button to claim your 150 points. Now you have to quickly complete all these tasks, follow them on X. Now that you have completed all the tasks, you follow them on X, you like and retweet, then you share your referral link, then you add this X to your name, then tap on claim button. So you've been able to claim this successfully. Now that I've claimed on it, let's take a look at what you see here. Go ahead and tap on this menu button. For tap on menu button, you have it here. Let's tap on N. For tap on N, you have it, guys. You see, I've claimed 100 points, and this amount to 1.54 USDA. These are the tasks you've completed on this platform. Then now you see this button that tap and invite friend, share with family friends on social media. Then that is all for that. Then go ahead and tap on this button again to see the NFT. Under the NFT, you see that whitelist submitted. You have it here, guys. Submit Ethereum wallet for your choice to get whitelisted. NFT holder can swap up to this to ETH, and you see that too. You need to submit your Ethereum wallet address here. Tap on this button again. Tap on revenue. So here is what you see under revenue. You can see so many other things here. So there's no much that you need to do here. Then go ahead and tap on this. Tap on ads. So that one is coming soon. Then go ahead and tap on mind here again. So once you are mind here, you have access to this. You see the reward season too. You have access to all these. Then here's your referral link. Tap on this and share. You can see that I have 200. I have 200 points. This guy is having over 508,000, guys. This is massive. So you can as well just try out, guys, and do this little thing that we have seen together here. You can see so many options here. So there's no much to what you are to do in this place. That's all. If you enjoy what I've explained this video and you don't subscribe, please subscribe for more updates like this. See you soon, guys, on my next video.